Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage cloud applications with Salesforce, detailed guide step by step clearly. To manage cloud applications with Salesforce, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the app launcher by clicking on the grid icon in the upper left corner. From there, locate and select Setup. In the Setup menu, find the Quick Find box on the left side of the screen. Enter App Manager into the Quick Find box and click on it from the results. In the App Manager, you will see a list of applications currently available in your Salesforce instance. To create a new app, click the New Lightning App button. Follow the prompts to customize your app name, brand color, and icon. Select the pages you want to include, such as home, record pages, and more. Define the utility bar for your app if applicable by adding features like notes or calculator. After adjusting the settings, click Next to continue. Set up the user profile permissions by specifying who can access your app. Review and save your app to finalize the creation process. To manage existing apps, select one from the App Manager list and click on the drop-down arrow next to it. Choose the Edit option to make changes to any settings. To deactivate an app, select Deactivate from the same drop-down menu. Remember to save any changes you make to ensure they are applied. When managing integrations, navigate back to the Setup menu using the Quick Find box again. Type an API to access your integration settings. Here you can manage options for connected apps or create new ones by clicking on New Connected App, fill in the required fields, such as the connected app name and contact email. Define the permissions for OAuth connected apps to control data access. Once finished, save your connected app settings. To monitor usage and performance of your cloud applications, utilize Salesforce's Reports and Dashboards features. Create custom reports by navigating to the Reports tab. Select New Report and choose the report type most relevant to your needs. Collect and analyze data to track performance and user engagement over time. By following these steps, you will efficiently manage your cloud applications within Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.